Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Good morning. Good morning, grandbabies. Come on, grandbabies. Come on, come on. Good morning, Wednesday. Hello, baby. Move your. Here you go. Have a picnic. Bam, bam. Your baby said, get your up. You can't have no more damn babies. It's time to get the hell up and take care of your damn child. Come on. Let's go, Bam Bam. Good morning, Winnie. Good morning, Winston. Good morning. Good morning. Trip me up. Come on, you hungry? Winston, sit. Good boy. Here go. TT, you still pregnant, I see. Water, baby, water, baby, water, baby, water. Don't come over here starting your shit with me. I'll spray the hell out of you.